So I'm here with Stephanie Blair.
Hi.
And Stephanie Blair, the Academy for HighLevel, right? The Academy for HighLevel. So Stephanie, it's just great to see you. I haven't met you before. I know your mother very well,
Yes.
Melissa Blair. And she told me that you started doing HighLevel when you came home from college during the pandemic.
Yes.
And you did so well now that you just decided, like helping the customers in the SaaS, that you just decided to make a whole course, right?
Yeah, I didn't go back to school.
And now you're on the board as a big winner, right?
Here we are.
Where are we at here?
I just saw it. Right here.
All right, so here you are right on the board, on the leaderboard. So congratulations.
Thank you.
You just look adorable with those glasses on too.
iBuyDirect.com.
So anyway, it's great. Is anything you want to say about the Academy, welcoming people into the Academy? Why should they come to the Academy for HighLevel?
Because it's the only place you're going to learn the entirety of HighLevel, from logging in and bookmarking the link to strategizing with client requests.
So from nuts to, from cradle
Yeah.
to grave, right?
Yeah, from
Everything,
head to toe.
You'll learn the whole thing.
Yep.
It's
Strategy,
step by
marketing.
step, level by level.
Right. Not even just, does it do this? What does this toggle do? But I mean, we cover that too. But we also go into project building and applying those projects to different client requests and
just keep taking
building
it
your
higher
confidence.
And higher,
yeah,
right?
It's all about confidence.
So who's it best for?
Anybody
Like,
that's trying to learn HighLevel. We've had tens of hundreds of people. We have over 800 people in it. Yeah, but we've had people that are already experts say they learn more. They've learned more, and anybody that's new or need team members trained, or we got the White Label Academy now for all of the White Label clients. So we're not talking about HighLevel or Extendly. It's all about your platform, our platform, and for your clients to learn and reduce churn and frustration, get them in it and sticky.
Awesome. So what should we, this is the tough question, Stephanie. All right, this is the tough question.
Yeah.
I was in the, feature drop, and I see now that HighLevel coming out with their own certifications,
Yes.
right? And I think you already know about that,
I do.
right? So, if people were a little bit confused about, go to the HighLevel certification or go to your academy, what would you recommend?
Honestly, both, because
What if you could only do one?
then I would do ours for sure, because you're going to learn more, and you have the option to level up, so you don't have to go all 3 levels. You don't have to go in depth. You can learn as you need to. Go learn, implement, make that money, and then come back, implement and invest in yourself more. But the biggest difference is, they've already had Sharon and I going through the different levels, or not their levels, but their certification, and for our options, and they want our opinion and our feedback, and to see how it's good and how it compares. And the best way I can explain it is theirs is very does it do this? What plan is this on? Is it an agency feature? Is it a sub-account feature? Whereas we're telling you all of that and how to strategize and actually apply that knowledge.
So you have a little bit more strategy about
Yeah.
what's going on,
Right.
how to apply them to actually in your business, right? That's what
My
you're
favorite
talking
way to
about?
explain it is they're the ACT exam, we're the ACT prep class and more. And you don't have to take the prep class, but you're going to do much, much better if you do.
All right. So how do they find out about the academy?
Yeah.
They go to the GHL website.
Yeah, and that's where you can find my face all over it, and all the info, all the white label info,
Awesome.
whatever you need.
All right, great.
Yeah.
Well, thanks a lot, Stephanie,
Thank
and
you.
congratulations
Thank
on the
you.
award.
I'm so
okay?
excited.
Bye.
Yeah.